This is a weekly reading for you, Aries. So let us see what is the guidance. Now, some of you have in this upcoming week a fear that maybe certain things you were hoping or wishing will work out may just not work out. So this is just a fear or overthinking you seem to be doing. So there is more which is going on the inside than the action. So when I see these cards, one guidance is that stop worrying. So this week may present lot of challenges to you, or you may foresee some challenges that could show up, maybe some struggle at work, or maybe some kind of a fight that you may see coming along with some friends or family. Now, just because you feel will be some kind of a conflict does not mean it's going to be true or it is going to happen. So, you want to steer clear of worry this week, Aries. Also, some of you are not sure that what you are doing and your heart is into, is it truly what you want to do? Now, that answer only can come from you, Aries. If there is something that you love to do and you have taken a liking for, now is that truly your fit? That answer stays with you and you need to explore more. So it is not going to come from outside. Nobody is going to give you the validation that if you enjoy doing this, then this is your true calling. That answer has to come from you. So this week is all an inner journey which I'm seeing. So some of you will spend a lot of time just overthinking, doubting yourself. So the beauty of doing tarot is you can foresee what's coming along and then you can correct your energy. So some of you probably want to focus more on exercise. Maybe you want to pick up a workout routine, maybe go for a yoga, go for a run, so that you're not this overthinking person. Also, some of you have this worry that maybe certain expenses which are coming up will be a very big drain on you, and you will probably go out of your budget and maybe in some kind of a debt or a distressing situation because of these expenses. Now, the good part is if you feel that there is something that can come up as an unexpected expense or expense can shoot up, you can always work on it and schedule it in a way that you can control it rather than just worry and be in this energy where you're just fearful how things can go out of hand and whether what you're doing is right or not. So this week you don't want to be indoors too much. You don't want to spend too much time being alone, overthinking your situation. You want to be more with friends. So if you have something cropping up where you are not able to decide, just discuss it with friends. Maybe answers will come out very quickly. And the key to success this week will be action. If you are not sure, start writing it on a paper, start talking to people. You will find answers very quickly. So, an action week will save you from unnecessary overthinking and some fears you feel will come true. So, this is how your week is looking, Aries. Now, let us see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. Some of you may feel that you were probably taken advantage of, or someone made friends with you, or probably acquaintances with you, so that they could gain from your situation, either because of how your social stature may be, or maybe if you could have unknowingly given them some references or got them some introductions. So I'm seeing a manipulative person coming along your way, but then your energy is not to be so swayed by emotions or feel the hit so deeply. You're someone who chooses to always remain in a balance, and if someone tried to take advantage of you or probably better their situation, you are not entirely going to put a blame on them. As I see it, you would accept a fair share of wrong on your part that you allowed it to happen. So this is, and also you're very secure. You don't mind, Taurus, that sometimes you may just meet very fickle people, people who will not be so true and true to their word and action. So I'm seeing a very good energy of how well you will handle it, and you won't get affected too much by this person who's coming along. Also, some of you, there is a revelation which may come out this week that maybe something you were working on was after all motivated by someone, or maybe someone had their certain motivations seeped into it and was not entirely something you were working for some greater good or trying to do some goal achievement. So you may just understand a person you thought was very nice and good to get along with, and someone very genuine. You may just have a realization that person is not so true after all. But then, as I see it, you will handle it very well. You're not going pinning hope, pinning blames, or fighting it out. You're going to handle this revelation in a very nice way. Also, some people may just show their different colors to you, but as I see it, you're unaffected. You're very clear with your mind, and you will totally go by facts and how a person behaved and moving ahead or making some decision. You don't overtly dislike someone, nor will you overtly try to favor anyone. Your balance is very important to you, Taurus. And then I'm seeing is you actually winning or getting respect from this person. So someone who may have tried to maybe shortchange you or probably influence you, they may just realize that you're someone very deep and not very quickly insulted or who feels slight just about for smallest of things. So I'm just saying that you earning the respect from someone, yeah. So looks like this person, while there will be a revelation and this relationship could have gone into a damage mode because of how you will behave and how you will handle the situation, which is being very neutral, not taking this whole energy of trying to be manipulated or influenced in a negative way. It will actually elevate your situation or bring you on a more serious authority or liking with people. So some of you will handle a situation very very well. Maybe someone in the family or someone even in your friend circle may have tried to take advantage of you or try to better their situation by doing or not telling you everything in the picture or the story, but looks like you will earn their true respect because of how well you will handle dealing with them or letting them know how you felt and making a decision. So I'm just seeing someone very balanced, doing the right thing, not getting too affected with how some people are not so deep and so true. And then overall, you're making a win. It's quite possible in your work situation, you may have someone you will feel did not do their work all that well, and you will not penalize them for your personal dislike or hate of their character. You will just go by the work and do what needs to be done, and I'm seeing overall lot of respect and love coming your way. So there is a very big win purely because you did not choose to give in to your emotions and you did the right thing. So very good set of cards, Taurus. Now, let us see how's the guidance for you, Gemini. Some of you will feel that in your situation, maybe either in your relationship situation or work situation, you're not being complimented in your efforts. So maybe you're putting in a lot of effort, maybe you're trying to better things at home, but you're not getting much support from your partner. Or even in your work situation, it's quite possible one of your colleagues is just not happy. Maybe they're going through some personal situation, maybe their family there's a problem, or they themselves may be going through some kind of a health issue. So I'm seeing that either even in your work situation you are the one pulling in way too much work, and you're not being complimented by your colleague, or in your either in your personal life not being complimented by your partner. But are you complaining? Answer is no. You see, this person, even though he's not getting much support, he or she is not getting much support from here, from this person, you are hard at work, and the good part is you have made all that needs to be created and all the work that needs to be done, and you're ready to get to deliver this or take it to the next level. So some of you will remain unaffected with the fact that your partner or someone either at your work or your business is not complimenting your work or all that you do, but you're someone very spirited and someone very committed, and I see that you will do way more than is expected, maybe to the point that it will affect your health. And then you're all suited booted and ready to take a ride and go and deliver wherever these coins or this work needs to go. So some of you are going to do tremendous job in your team. So if you have a team, looks like some of your colleagues may not be up to the mark, and you're going to be pulling in their effort or work as well. And then you are ready to showcase your work. So it's a very good energy. I see travel also for some of you for work coming up this week. Just take care of your health little bit, Gemini, because if you are not being complimented and you're getting overtly stressed with all the work either at home or in your office, you don't want to let it take a toll on your health. Some of you just want to take up very seriously workout regime, so that you are not this person who's perennially working. But overall good energy, whatever you're working on, it will be delivered. And the good part is whatever your team is also working on will be delivered more so, because you pulled in or you stepped in to do the extra work. So a bit of excess of work also showing up. So let us see what is the guidance for you now, Cancer. There is going to be some kind of a learning for some of you. It's looking as if you will be pulled into certain discussion or argument which you may realize eventually was just a waste of time, and you were better off not getting involved into it. So this week you want to pick up your argument and confrontations very carefully, because it's looking like it will waste your time. And then I'm seeing you racing ahead of people you were arguing or fighting with. So looks like whatever this dissatisfaction is, or whatever these people are not able to agree on, you will be able to change gears very quickly, Cancer, because here you're holding is a stick, and that stick is now become a sword, and you're standing alone here, which is also telling me that you're moved ahead of the crowd. So some of you will see that you have figured out a certain work situation or even in a family how to stay clear of certain fights and get to where you want to go. And just remember one thing, Cancer, you have everything to create riches and success for yourself. So, as I see this energy of a person, he or she is very well dressed up. So, impressing people should come very easily to you. Some of you are looking for romantically getting involved also. I'm just saying you may be fighting for attention of a person with a lot of people. There may be some bit of jealousy also going on, but eventually you're going to steer clear and you're going to be this person who moved along or who created a very strong impression. And yes, there is a love waiting for you. So I do see for someone you have a crush on, you wanted to ask out, this person is going to say yes. And in your work situation, some of you are going to race ahead of your colleagues in understanding a situation and how a work should be done. And then there are a lot of rewards and riches coming your way. Some of you will do well if you just connect with your one of your parents and ask them how to solve a certain situation you may find it difficult to deal with. Looks like help will come on very quickly and will help you in this week. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Leo. Now, some of you may be in a work situation where you're not getting what you're looking for and you're overtly regretting something you did not do right. So, this week, if you want to just keep worrying and remain disappointed, I don't see much help coming along. You will remain in this energy if you choose to. Otherwise, if you're okay to work with your disappointments that certain things did not work out, you see, this man or a woman is refusing another opportunity purely because he or she feels that it is just like what has come earlier on and there is nothing different or nice coming his or her way now. So either you can just keep complaining about what is not good enough that has come along, or you can pick up these three cups and start to party and enjoy. So now that decision is yours. Do you want to party? Do you want to enjoy? Do you want to go out? Do you want to almost have a celebration with like minded people or your friends? Or do you want to perennially keep regretting about something throughout the night and then sulk and not feel too good throughout the day? So, as I said, this will be a very decisive week for you, and how you want to play this week is entirely up to you. And sometimes, Leo, certain things may just look very average. Now, you can either choose to make a good deal with it, or you can always keep waiting for excellence and perfection to come your way. As I see it, you want to go out and enjoy totally because there is a party going around. There are people who have similar three cups. You see, you have three cups here, which are similar to these people who are partying and are holding one cup each. So you are even getting one more opportunity or one more affection or one more whatever that you need coming your way. So there is no dearth of what you're looking for coming your way. It's just that you're not appreciating it enough. You see, These people have just one cup each. So there are three people who are partying as I see it, and they're holding this one trophy or one win each. You have three wins in your hand, but you're still not partying because you're not happy with what's in your hand. So for some of you this week, you want to not go so high chasing certain ambition or goal and not be so difficult in accepting people or accepting that how good your situation is. So you want to totally be like these people, celebrate everything that comes your way, and just find a reason to be happy and smiling rather than not being happy despite getting so much or not finding it good enough and then regretting over things. So change of outlook will really make this week for you. I see some introduction also coming your way. You see, this is a man sitting here and there are three ladies here. So I'm just seeing some of you are looking for meeting a potential partner, whether you are a man or a woman. There is a great romantic energy working to making work out for you. Yeah. Now it is up to you how well you want to accept it and you want to join in. So if you choose to stay out, I don't see much happening this week. So make that decision to be wanting to party, go out and meet some people. Things are looking very good for you and be a bit more appreciative of all that you get, Leo. And week should look very, very well for you. So let us now see what is the reading for you. Virgo. Virgo, you're going to realize that something that looked very good initially is after all not as appealing or as desirable for the long term. So some of you will figure out that something you took a liking to or you fancied wasn't actually what it looked like. So there is some clearing up of illusion, certain something that you thought looked right, clearing up, and then you realizing that if you need or want something, it will come through lot of work and perseverance. So there is a bit of correction of how you fancied something and the kind of effort it needs. So, as I see it also work wise, some of you may have thought or you may think that this is something very easy to deal with or you can finish it within no time. And then you're going to realize it will need great deal of patience, observation, and then effort to make it happen. So something you thought will get over very quickly, maybe let's say 2 days, will maybe take about 5 days or 6 days. I'm just saying that there is some correction of how you understood a certain something, and then you realizing it will need a bit more effort and energy to make it work or deal with. It's also looking as if you thought it was easy to get an introduction to someone or ask a person out or probably date someone, you will realize it's going to take a bit of more effort than how you initially thought it to be. So this is how your reading is. Let us see what is the reading for you, Libra. Some of you are worked up about money that there is not enough money or happiness in your situation, and that you're all by yourself dealing with pretty much everything that's coming your way. So this week you probably will try to work with certain opportunity or a certain set of people, and looks like you will just feel it's just too burdensome or conflicting to deal with some people when you don't have much support from family and friends. And I'm also seeing some regret, and I'm seeing here a energy of a family. So it's just telling me some of you are regretting not having kept in touch with certain friends or family members who could have helped you out in your situation. So it's never really too late, Libra. If some of you may feel during this week that on your own things are a little bit difficult, or you don't have that great a support system, it's a good idea to just travel and be with your family. So whenever you choose, it is the right time to get back and get in touch with people. Whatever may have been your reason to not have done it in the past, you should always look at making that beginning. So I'm just seeing some kind of probably a worry or a regret of not having kept in touch with certain friends or family, and that now how do you approach it? The best way to approach it is just go ahead and approach and make that meeting or make that phone call, and things can only improve from then on. So if some of you want to even look at patching up, and you are looking at trying to fix certain things with either someone in the family or your love partner, you may want to do it this week. Also, some of you are not taking on new love. It's as if you're just too unhappy how certain things did not work out in the past well, and now you don't want to meet any new people because you feel they will just give you as many disappointments. So don't give in too much to emotions this week, Libra. Just keep yourself and your heart very protected, and take on people as in how you meet them, new as well as patch up with people you feel you should have kept in touch with. So this week is all about tying up some loose knots, or correcting certain relationships. Even in work situation, if you feel that you were not supported by your supervisor or your superiors, and you have lost out on certain opportunities, don't just keep saying flat no to even something new that is coming your way. So the guidance is just stay very neutral and keep your heart very protected. And if you feel that something did not work out or was not favorable for you in whatever way, you may want to just go and connect back with this set of people. And don't say no to new people. I'm just saying you're refusing to meet some new people, or you're not taking on new opportunities purely because you're unhappy about certain people being ungrateful or not having kept in touch with you, or you have not kept in touch with them. So if this energy is bothering you so much, you may just want to pick up that phone and make that call, or maybe whatever, do the online communication that is needed. So a bit of a working week for you, and maybe to get certain ties together. So let us see how's the reading for you, Scorpio. I'm seeing a travel for sure for some of you, and you're going to get a very nice opportunity to meet someone who may have a very different perspective to life than you. So, as I see it, you're at work, or you're traveling for work, or you're busy doing whatever that needs to be done, and then you meet someone very, very emotional and sensitive, and who can probably tell you that family life is just about as important, or with whom you have a there is a energy to fall in love with. So I'm just seeing that some of you are going to meet a person or a possible a love energy or maybe a deep friend who can show you a different perspective on how things should be done or how life should be lived, or probably there is more to life than just work. And then there is a shift which is coming about. Now, this shift could be either you will choose to continue the work and not pay much attention to this love energy, or you are going to take on and find more sense in this social or this love energy than wanting to move ahead with the work energy or whatever that you are doing. So there is a shift. Now this shift is this shift can be very positive, or it can change equations in a very drastic way. Now it is up to you how you keep the outlook. Also, I'm seeing that some of you may take a different decision or different route because you took a liking to a person and that person gave you a very different perspective or told you how certain things can be done very easily. You see, this soldier is on a horse and he's out on work, probably doing what needs to be done, and then this soldier meets this person who has a lot to show for, so many trophies on their mantle. Either they are going to show a great family to the soldier that look, this is a great family life you can have, and it's not about all about going to work and doing what needs to be done. Or this person is going to tell how the work is should be done to begin with, and that you are so well appreciated for all that you do. So I am seeing a great shift in your either style of work or your priorities. For some of you, certain priorities will also change this week. Maybe if you were devoting too much time at work and you had somehow forgotten your family life or love life, your focus is going to come back to your love life and people, all the people you love. Or some of you are going to find a very good style of working which will lead you to ultimate success. You see, there's a sun waiting here, there's a great success waiting here. So, this person or this experience that you have is going to bring you a new perspective and certain change in you. So be very positive, or keep your outlook very neutral in how you meet people. You don't know who's going to bring this great experience and share certain something with you. So this is how your week is looking, Scorpio. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius. There is something very nice coming as an opportunity your way. And Sagittarius, you just know how beautifully to keep your love life going good for you and how to keep your business mind very sharp and again good and working for you. So some of you are very clear with how your heart should function and how your mind should function, yeah. And I'm just seeing this very nice, almost a very good week showing up where you will be able to very beautifully devote time to your family, and you are going to take some very smart and good decisions this week. You are going to be very shrewd. You will know people what they are up to when they talk to you or when they discuss their plans. And some smart decisions are going to lead you to some kind of a new beginning. So maybe you will just get introduced or included in a new project or assignment, or some of you will probably pick up some kind of a travel purely because how well in sync you seem to be in dealing with people, or even how secure you feel and emotionally how secure you come across, and how good solid business decisions you are able to take. So this week is very very rewarding for you, Sagittarius. You're going to do very well, and it's overall a all-rounder week for you. So you will almost be feeling at peak in your love life and in your business situation. And the beauty is there is something very nice coming along. Now, this is either a travel or you getting included into some kind of a new project or assignment, or something new is coming along your way purely because how beautifully you have dealt with certain situations. For some of you, there is a news of pregnancy as I see it. So, very, there's an addition to the family. So, very good and a beautiful set of cards. You want to make the most of it, Sagittarius. Some of you who are on the fence line, not able to decide a certain thing in the business, totally go with a very creative thought, and you will realize you have just created one more way of new way of doing things, or one more source of income for yourself. It's a very good set of cards. So now let us see how's the guidance for you, Capricorn. Some of you are going to help either a family member or your loved one to get over their sadness. And I do see a love energy also coming up. So you may just meet someone who's probably few years ahead of you or is elder to you. I am seeing you helping out this person emotionally, and the two of you just bonding very well. So even in a work situation, Capricorn, you may just help out some colleagues so well from their own situation. Maybe your colleague may be going through a divorce, maybe going through some financial loss, or is probably just not doing well in their career and may not be feeling so good in their spirits. Looks like you will reach out to this colleague, and then there is a very beautiful bond the two of you will have. So there's a great work relationship showing up. The two of you will become a very strong team. And I'm also seeing for some of you love energy working out. You may just help a person to get over their sadness or help them to open up purely because you're so understanding that two of you may become deep friends over the period of time, and there is a great potential for love energy working out. So you're going to be at your emotional best, Capricorn, and you're going to get a lot of work done, or a lot of things will happen easily purely because you understood and you connected with people. So also I'm seeing is you will help someone find what they're looking for. You see, this person is standing and looking only at three cups which have, fallen off, or they're not, there is some regret and loss over all that is lost. What this person does not seem to realize is there are two cups which are standing right behind him, which he can continue to enjoy, maybe celebrate them or do whatever he needs to do with these two cups. So now he either doesn't know that these cups are behind him and that he can continue to enjoy life and make most of it. The good part is, as a Capricorn, you seem to be coming from the front and offering one cup to this person. So you're going to show them a solution which they were not able to see. So you're going to be at your helpful, guiding best, Capricorn, this week. And it is going to lead to a mutual beneficial situation for the two of you. So I'm seeing a great bond and a friendship getting formed. And for some of you, you may just help person out, and then it has a potential for something it becoming something romantically for the two of you. So very good cards. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Aquarius. Some of you are going to feel very stuck in how to take a decision. Should you go all mellow, understanding and sensitive, or should you just go with the very sharp business sense? Now you are capable of both. You are capable of immense and deep love and really protecting people when it's needed, and then you are very capable of some very cold decisions or taking certain situations in a very calculative way. Some of you will feel divided which way should you handle or tackle certain people. So I'm seeing a hanged man here. So it's telling me this man doesn't know which lady to pick and what to do and who to go ahead with. So very literally some of you may just have a partner, who's all heart and love and emotion, and then you have another person who's showing just about as much love to you but is very sharp tongue, great sense of humor and very good business sense. So you will feel very divided which person to go ahead with. I'm seeing someone with a very tough decision to make, and on a very business or a work situation, I'm seeing someone not being able to decide how you should deal with your team members or certain situation. Either go all hard and forgive some mistake or punish and set an example. You're going to feel very confused, Aquarius. Now, the good part is you are capable of finding an answer. So a lot of time will go this week in just absorbing how difficult or deep the situation is. And then should you be willing to change your perspective or put on some different set of eyes and look at everything from a very new perspective, you will be able to find a solution of which way to go, who to go with, or which is the most right for your situation. But I'm also seeing great success provided you can put in a different pair of eyes and look at everything from a very new perspective. Otherwise, you're going to feel stalemate, you're going to feel very stuck. Who to go with? Someone all soft and love and genuineness, someone with great sense of humor, sharpness, and how well they tackle people and deal with them. And or in your work situation, should you just go forgiving or going easy with people and becoming very popular but then not being able to get much work done, or just getting work done and then not becoming all that popular, or maybe getting some mean words or not so great reputation because you took some tough decisions. So it will be a fairly tough week for you, Aquarius, but you are very capable of finding an answer of how to go with it or how to deal with the situation. Just work on your perspective, things will fall in place for you. Now, how's the guidance looking for you, Pisces? This card is just falling out. The theme for the week is You are just feeling your struggles are too many and you're all by yourself trying to deal with just about every other difficult person and situation as in how it shows up. So there is almost this energy of someone just wanting to give up. But the good part is you're going to make a good deal of success for yourself. So whatever that you have right now, Pisces, whatever that you're working with, it's not enough. Maybe, and you're right when you think that you have to all do everything all by yourself, because I'm seeing here is a hermit. Now if you get to work and show the kind of devotion a hermit has into finding that whatever the spiritual enlightenment or whatever that hermit is looking for, so I am seeing that your situation is not very highly rewarding, but it is very good. It's not something people probably talk about, that how and why and how beautiful the whole situation is and all of that, but it is fairly good. You have a great standard of living. So as I see it, if you want to improve your situation, which is not so bad as probably you're making it out to be, but it is difficult for sure. So you need to put in the kind of a devotion this hermit has. And will you be rewarded? Well, you seem to have multiplied your wealth. You seem to have created more success to the point that you can help out some people also. Also, your clothing has changed. So some of you may just want to change your wardrobe to begin with, and then just work on your how ask some questions how devoted you are to that cause and work, and then find a way to create a perfection or create a way where you can find more health and happiness. Will you be able to find it if you put your heart and soul into it? Answer is yes. So some of you may be worrying more than really looking at improving the situation. So if you can just give up worrying or undermining yourself, I am seeing that if you were to put your all your concentration to your situation, you can actually improve it a great deal. So maybe some of you are not happy with certain situation in your job or in your business. Maybe you want to relocate to some place or you want to move to some new area. All you have to do is find out how your pitch will be or what is it that you will say, and looks like you will get rewarded. So some of you who don't know how to help your situation, only your concentrated effort is missing. Should you put it in place, there is a reward or there is a success which is waiting to materialize for you. So this week is very, very good. So some of you may even improve your situation to a very great degree that you can even help some people with advice and guidance. So this is how your reading is, Pisces, for this week.